Sparrows are a group of small, social birds that belong to the family Passeridae. There are over 50 species of sparrows that can be found in almost every part of the world, with the exception of Antarctica. They are known for their small size, brown or gray plumage, and distinctive chirping call. Sparrows are omnivorous, feeding on a wide variety of foods such as seeds, insects, and small fruits. They are also known to scavenge for food in urban environments, and are often seen picking through scraps in city parks and gardens. They are able to adapt to a wide range of habitats, from grasslands and meadows to forests and cities. Sparrows are social birds and often live in large flocks. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including songs, chirps, and calls. They also use body language to signal to other birds, such as head bobs, tail flicks, and wing flutters. In many cultures, sparrows are considered to be symbols of simplicity, humility, and community. Some species of sparrows are in decline due to habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these birds and their habitats, including the creation of nesting boxes and the preservation of natural habitats. By taking steps to protect these important members of our ecosystem, we can ensure that sparrows continue to thrive for generations to come. Sparrows are known for their unique nesting habits. They build cup-shaped nests using a variety of materials, including twigs, grasses, and feathers. These nests are typically built in trees, shrubs, or other vegetation, and can be found in both rural and urban environments. Sparrows are also known for their elaborate courtship rituals. Males will often perform displays, such as puffing up their chest feathers and hopping around the female, to attract a mate. Once a pair has bonded, they will work together to build a nest and raise their young. In many parts of the world, sparrows are kept as pets. They are easy to care for and can provide companionship for their owners. However, it is important to remember that wild birds should not be taken from their natural habitats, and that there are laws and regulations in place to protect them. Overall, sparrows are fascinating and important birds that play an important role in our ecosystems. They are adaptable, social, and resilient, and serve as a reminder of the beauty and diversity of the natural world. By taking steps to protect their habitats and support their populations, we can ensure that these beloved birds continue to thrive for years to come.